Ever pondered over the firepower at the disposal of the Indian Army? It's quite riveting. In the world of modern warfare, the importance of advanced weaponry cannot be overstated. It's a realm where technology, strategy, and raw power converge to create machines that can shape the course of conflicts and, in turn, history. The Indian Army, being one of the largest and most potent military forces in the world, is equipped with a wide variety of such weapons. Each serves a specific purpose in the battlefield, from long-range artillery to close-quarter combat tools, and from armored vehicles to aircraft. These instruments of defense and offense are the result of years of research, development, and rigorous testing. One such fascinating piece of weaponry is the Joint Venture Protective Carbine, or JVPC. You might be intrigued to learn about it. The JVPC, a weapon of Indian origin, boasts impressive features. As we delve into the technical details, we begin with its caliber. The JVPC is designed to chamber the 5.56mm INSAS cartridge, a cartridge that is known for its reliability and effectiveness in various combat situations. Now let's talk about the operating system. The JVPC is gas-operated, a type of firearm operation that taps off some of the high-pressure gas produced during firing to power the firearm's mechanism. This design ensures a smooth, reliable, and efficient operation of the weapon, even in challenging conditions. In terms of the feed system, the JVPC is magazine-fed, which allows for quick and seamless reloading. It's a crucial feature in high-intensity combat situations where every second counts. And when it comes to fire mode, the JVPC is select fire, meaning it can switch between semi-automatic and fully automatic fire modes. This flexibility allows the soldier to adapt to different combat scenarios, from precision shooting to suppressive fire. The JVPC also boasts an impressive rate of fire. It can fire more than 700 rounds per minute, giving it a significant firepower advantage on the battlefield. Now, let's discuss the effective range. The JVPC is effective at more than 100 meters. This range, combined with its high rate of fire, makes it a formidable weapon in both urban warfare and open field engagements. The JVPC weighs in at approximately 3 kilograms. This lightweight design ensures that the soldier can carry and operate the weapon for extended periods without fatigue, a critical factor in sustained operations. The JVPC's design features also deserve a special mention. It has a semi-bullpup design, retractable butt, and ergonomic grip, making it comfortable for the soldier to handle. It also boasts single-hand firing capability and multiple Picatinny rails, which allow for the attachment of various accessories such as sights, grips, and lights. Finally, we come to the JVPC's reliability and accuracy. The JVPC has successfully met the stringent performance criteria in user trials. Its performance under diverse conditions and its ability to maintain accuracy and reliability make it a potent weapon for counterinsurgency and counter-terrorism operations. With these features, JVPC stands as a testament to the Indian Army's technological prowess. So, what did we learn today? We've taken a deep dive into the fascinating world of the Joint Venture Protective Carbine, or JVPC, an impressive piece of the Indian Army's weaponry. We've seen how this carbine, chambering the 5.56 by 30mm INSAS cartridge, is gas-operated and magazine-fed. With its select fire ability, it can switch between semi-automatic and fully automatic fire modes, discharging over 700 rounds per minute. Its effective range over 100 meters, and it's no heavyweight either, tipping the scales at just around 3 kilograms. The JVPC boasts a semi-bullpup design, retractable butt, ergonomic design for single-hand firing, and multiple Picatinny rails. And let's not forget its reliability and accuracy proven in stringent user trials. This carbine is a potent weapon for counterinsurgency and counter-terrorism operations. Next time you ponder over the Indian Army's weaponry, you'll certainly remember the JVPC, a weapon that exemplifies the Indian Army's commitment to technological advancement and tactical superiority.